Hi, I'm Nicholas Schneider, and for the first time in a while, we have a more exciting story to talk about in LNG. This past quarter, LNG exports have increased strongly, vessel charter rates are up, and the outlook for the rest of the year and 2018 looks promising. So please keep watching for a quick update on LNG shipping markets. One factor contributing to stronger LNG shipping markets in recent months has been the increase in global LNG exports seen in the second half of 2017. Currently, LNG exports are on track to increase by roughly 28 million tons, or 11% this year, which will be the strongest increase seen since 2010. Global exports did drop a little bit in September due to some maintenance outages at Australian projects, but have since recovered in October. Overall, the increase in global LNG exports this year continues to be driven by new volumes from Australia and the United States. However, more stable production from Nigeria and Angola has also contributed new volumes this year. But the big story this past quarter has been the ongoing increase in Chinese LNG imports. Imports into China have increased by 45%, or roughly 8 million tons, in the first 3 quarters of this year compared to last. China is building up their gas inventories in advance of winter and to prepare for a large shift in residential heating demand. For the first time this winter, millions of homes across northern China will be heated by newly installed gas radiators instead of coal, as China continues its fight against air pollution and coal-related smog. This increase in LNG trade, along with some arbitrage trading due to higher LNG prices, has reduced the availability of vessels on the spot market and has resulted in higher charter rates. As of the end of October, spot charter rates for LNG vessels were nearing $60,000 per day, which are the highest rates seen in almost 2 years. In addition, the outlook for the rest of the year looks promising, supported by the recent startup of the Wheatstone project in Australia and Train 4 at Sabine Pass in the United States, as well as the soon-to-start-up Cove Point and Yamal LNG export projects. Overall, this year will be the first year that LNG charter rates have increased on average since 2012. Looking at 2018, we continue to expect that the increase in global LNG exports will increase faster than fleet supply, leading to an ongoing increase in fleet utilization. Between the fourth quarter of 2017 and the end of 2018, 34 million tons per annum of new export capacity at 6 projects are scheduled to start up in the United States, Australia, Russia, and West Africa. Overall, we expect that LNG exports will increase by at least 30 million tons next year, which will be the second largest annual increase in exports seen in the LNG industry. Finally, the increase in oil and LNG prices seen in recent months is another sign of tighter energy markets. A number of proposed LNG export projects are looking to take advantage of a recovering market, and while FID decisions remain unpredictable, we do expect that improving market could lead to some positive FID decisions next year, which will support the long-term growth of the LNG market. In summary, LNG exports, LNG prices, and vessel charter rates have all increased this past quarter, and the outlook for year-end in 2018 remains positive. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll be back next quarter with another update.